it's quite a popular straight fact that Anambra State has the highest amount of self-made billionaires in Nigeria. It's the state that has produced the highest amount of self-made billionaires in Nigeria. Not even Lagos State, not Kano State, not Rivers State, Anambra State. And yet, this same state doesn't rank even highest among the 5 southeast states in that region. As a state that has the highest internally generated revenue. My name is Musa Okeotins, and this week, I would be talking about, I think the most popular, of course, maybe but definitely the story that is on everyone's lips since last week has been the story of Governor Willie Obiano, the immediate past governor of Anambra State. So he handed over power on Thursday to the former CBN governor, Charles Soludo, and some 5-7 hours afterwards, we heard that he was picked up at the Lagos State Airport by the EFCC. Now, the first question that jumps to your mind is, okay, why was he in such a haste to even leave the country in the first instance? You just handed over power. Why are you in such a haste to get out of the country? The very same day you handed over power, you're trying to leave, and the EFCC knew he was going to try and do that, and they went to meet him right there at the airport and they picked him up. So definitely there are a lot of untold things happening there. He's definitely maybe committed some sort of crime. Yeah, but with some digging, we would want to know who this man was before he became the governor of Anambra State. We knew he succeeded the Peter Obi, former governor of Anambra State. He succeeded Peter Obi, who is currently vying to be the president of Nigeria under the PDP. Now, Willie Obiano became the governor of Anambra State. He was formerly a banker, worked as a technocrat with the First Bank of Nigeria. He was once the chief internal auditor of Chevron Oil Mobile before he became the governor of Anambra State. Now, he became the governor of Anambra State in 2013, and he served 2 terms. Okay, so 2 terms, he served 2 terms. What happened? Why has the EFCC arrested him? What happened between his wife and the wife of the former leader of the Igbo ethnic group of the southeast region, Bianca Ojukwu? That story, definitely, I'm pretty sure everyone knows something or two. You've seen videos of the scuffle that happened between those two women who are of high respect in the society, who chose to go the other way of respect, poise, and class in public glare, where they both engage in a scuffle of slaps and wig pulling. But that wouldn't be what I would rather say was the biggest slap on the face on a day that should be a day of momentous glory for the former CBN governor, Charles Soludo. Rather, it was a day that was marred with quite a lot of scandals. And the biggest of all that I think should concern the people of Anambra State is the fact that the EFCC had to pick up their immediate past governor at the airport on allegations of misappropriation of state finances worth over 42 billion naira. As if that is not bad enough, there's also the misapplication of a certain 5 billion naira of offshore P money, and then another 37 billion naira on security votes. And that, the worst part of that is, all of this was withdrawn in cash. Who withdraws 37 billion naira in cash? Rather, I would want to know, what has this man done, in that period of 8 years, if such an accusation is laid against him? Just a quick fact just to throw in between. Do you know Anambra State is one of the states in Nigeria that does not have a state government house? And the governor is currently being accused of misappropriating 42 billion naira, withdrawing 37 billion in cash. The state has no government house. Well, some people would throw facts at you and throw certain things at you, would say he did quite a lot of things in the state, considering, looking at recent declaration by some women who have said they will go all the way to Abuja, to the EFCC headquarters to protest naked, unless the EFCC releases their governor. That they will protest naked and it should be released. Okay, so you say, okay, they want to be protesting. Why are they protesting? What has it done that deserves their loyalty and for them to go that length to get him released? and they will tell you one of the biggest things anyone will throw at you of what he had achieved in the state was the airport. He built the Anambra State International Cargo Airport, to help really get goods. The Igbo people who want to take their goods to the southeast, now say there's a cargo airport, and you just land right there in Anambra State. It was commissioned and kicked off work in December 7th of 2021. So it's been in operation for at least some 3 months now. How well has the airport been doing? But that shouldn't preclude that this person go ahead and takes that much money from the state coffers, and it cannot be proven that that amount of money, this is what it was used for. Anambra State, you just go back to, if this state has produced the highest amount of billionaires in the self-made billionaires in the country, this place should be an economic hub for that region, but it is not. Even if you want to go to the southeast looking for the economic hub, apart from the biggest market in the whole of West Africa, as they claim, that is in Onitsha, the economic hub of that region is still claimed to be either Imo State or even Aba, about the Aba market. Those are some of the, those are old. So what exactly would this man have said he has done during his period in power? And there's such an, we know at least over the years, the AFCC has arrested over 30 governors, and some of the allegations that are laid against them have been found, they've been found guilty of them. We know of Suswam, we know of Danjuma Goje, we know of a host of others. So definitely in this, there's some sort of truth for them to have gone after this man for certain reasons. And it begins to ponder, why do we have people who steal to the point of, detrimental level to the citizens of their state, of the country? If a state that doesn't have a state house, 37 billion will build a state house, and it was withdrawn in cash. Hey, well, I don't want to sound too much emotive, as much as his wife also did catch the head, was on the headlines across board for what happened between herself and the Ambassador Bianca Ojukwu. It is funny to know that someone would catwalk away to receiving a slap, but well, I'll just leave that there. The EFCC earlier, the EFCC has come out on Monday to say Governor Willie Obiano has been granted bail, but he hasn't been released yet because he is yet to meet his bail conditions. That's the last we've heard at the moment. We don't know when he will be finally released. If those naked women want to go and protest his release, if they will go to make that protest, it's all yet to unfold, and we will be following up on the story, and as more information breaks about it, we definitely will bring it to you. My name is Nosa Okeltons, and it's been another fantastic edition of the KOKO in Naija. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do. Click on the subscribe button, engage in the comment section. Let's know you're out there, you're listening to us, and we're giving you valuable content that you appreciate. Let's get back from me. You guys, yeah. So it is the KOKO in Naija. See you same time, same place next time.